The king of sky, ruling the skies for years. Wings are wider than your imagination. Bigger, better, boundless. An engineering marvel above the clouds. A masterpiece of aviation, master of the skies, A380 and aerial revolution. A super jumbo for super journeys, soaring beyond expectations. Designed for dreams, built for greatness, experience the sky like never before with A380. You will have the smoothest takeoffs and landing ever you experience, even with turbulence environment. Walking on board feels like entering a new world. 2 floors of pure comfort and elegance. Spacious cabins make long-haul flights a breeze. Enough space to stretch, relax, and enjoy the journey.
By pulling the 2 red toggles sharply downwards. You can also inflate.
Even in economy, you feel like you are in first class. Every traveler's dream flying on A380. It's incredible to think such a massive plane can feel so intimate. And the A380 is a desire of any travel enthusiast. Then why did this A380 fail as a product for so many airlines, despite of being a dream for so many passengers? Why did Airbus halted its dream program? Let's look at the reasons. The pandemic, which caused a lot of airlines to ground their A380s due to lack of demand for flying as well as operational cost. Slowing demand for large aircraft, high operational cost, and a shift towards fuel-efficient twin-engine jets led to A380 programs halt. By 2021, Airbus announced the end of production, with the final A380 delivered in December 21 to Emirates Airline. So, how it's possible for A380 to come back? The post-pandemic era creates triple the demand for airlines, and the passenger demand brought the A380 roaring back. Airlines need more capacity than they thought, and the Airbus competitor Boeing, struggling to deliver its 777X model for last 5 years, caused a huge gap in capacity against the demand. With the skies calling again, the A380 is proving its worth in a recovering aviation industry. Many airlines are bringing the A380 back to operation, and so much of orders have gone for Airbus to refurbish and redesign the interior and the cabin. Just when we thought it was gone for good, the A380 returned, proving its timeless appeal. Despite its challenges, A380 remains a symbol of luxury and comfort in aviation. Launched as a giant, retired as a legend, and revived as an icon, the A380's journey is far from over. No matter what future holds, plan your next adventure aboard this marvel and make flying on the A380 pinnacle of your aviation journey. The Airbus A380 made its maiden flight on April 27, 2005. It entered commercial service with Singapore Airlines on October 25, 2007. Let's look at this first commercial A380. The cabin may look old compared to modern cabins these days, but this is legendary experience. Flying first Airbus A380. Views from upper deck are simply breathtaking. Feels like you are one step ahead of the world. Designed for dreams, built for greatness, experience the sky like never before with A380. Plan your next adventure aboard this marvel and make flying on the A380 pinnacle of your aviation journey. See you in next video. Thank you so much for watching this.